What is up, guys? I'm doing another shut this music up. Okay, one of my friends requested me to do Howl for her and post it on YouTube. What are you doing, little brother? Get out of here! And what are you doing, also, little doggy? What are you doing? Yeah, she requested a video of me howling, so that's what I'm about to do, and hopefully she will howl back. I don't know. She could do whatever she want. I don't care. She could go down in the ditch. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Don't die. Okay. Anyway, here's my howling. 3, 2, 1. Ah, cha-cha. That was gonna stick at the no-no finger. Anyway, but all seriousness. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, anyway, my bark is not that good either, but my whimpering is kind of good. Let's see if I can do it real fast. Huh. Well, I can't do it right now because I have a drunk bar in a couple of days. But anyway, that's it for the howling. Maybe a show a howl back if you want to. M's, I don't care. It's just like, okay. Anyway, that's all for today.